Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, look at the little radiator. Oh, it's so cute. Anyway, sorry. This home was built in 1940. It is colonial style and adorable. I believe this is original brick because, yes. The kitchen is adorable. Butcher block counters. We have this lovely sink. Oh God, I love it. But we're not gonna go out back yet because I'm gonna show you something else. First things I do as a real estate agent when I go into homes, especially old ones, is I check and see if they're haunted. You know, any trapped souls of the damned chilling. All right. No poltergeists, no banshees. That's kind of nice, right? We have a neat bar. Painted so much that they're soft. I love old shit. God, I love old homes. Oh, you're just real estate for the money. I mean, listen, girl's got to pay her rent, but I just love cool houses. Can we talk about these 9-foot ceilings in a 1940? Let's move on, shall we? Let's go upstairs. I won't lie, it's a little squeaky. But that's the charm. Doors are so cool. Oh, big bedroom. I secretly love the squeaky floor. It kind of gives it that, you can tell when ghosts are sweeping up on you. Look at the doorknobs. Look at the, why won't you focus? Focus on the crystal doorknob. Focus on the crystal door. Anyway, it's real pretty. The doors are solid wood. Also, we should check and see what the doorbell sounds like. Pro tip. Okay, now we're going to the backyard because the backyard of my friends. Because the backyard is where it's at. Oh. So that is a little artist cottage that comes with the rental. Hello. Look at this beautiful backyard. Oh, the pergola! Look at the pergola! They even have a spot here for your furry friends to go use the bathroom, so they're not, you know, down there. Let's move on, shall we? Did I leave the keys in the house? I sure the fuck did. Nope, I sure the fuck did not. That's right. Day one of real estate school. Here's how to use a key. What are we doing here? Cool. Excellent. Nope, still locked. There we go. Okay, now let's go. I just locked the bottom one. I just goddamn locked the bottom one. There we go. Oh, cool. It's a little space with a little... Hang on, let me lock this again. Intentionally this time. Nope. 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 It's locked, whatever. But you have all this parking. And look how cool the house is. It's just so pretty. Anyway. I will say, maybe tighten the spring on that there door, because it done scared me again. I was just here. Anywho, if you want more information about this adorable little place, let me know. Contact me. Send me a text, a message, a DM, whatever. I'll be in Arlington most of today. So come see